In this video, I'm going to teach you how to find old videos on YouTube. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to give you easy to follow instructions on how to find old videos through YouTube. For this method, I'm going to teach you how to do it when you use the search function. You can also essentially do the same thing when you go over to your own watch history. But like I said, for this video, I'm going to show you a very easy to do method through the search function. So when you search for any subject, you will get the standard results depending on if you are signed into your account or not signed in. You might see random popular stuff. So what you can do is either go through the filters, and in here you do have some options, for example, the upload date, sort by, and so on. But to find old videos, all that you have to do is type before and then whatever year you want to search for. So in this specific scenario, I'm going to be searching for the topic music and then before 2005. So the results are only going to be videos uploaded before 2005. So in this example, there is none because 2005 is too long ago, but if I do 2010, as you can see, not a single video that is on these results was uploaded after 2010. All of them are 15 years ago, which means that it landed right on the spot. You can also try using the filters here. So for example, view count. So the videos with the most views will appear, and you can customize other things. And this will work for any topic. For example, animation. So as you can see, these animations are really old, 16, 15 years ago. You can look for funny videos, you can look for memes, whatever it is that you want to search on YouTube. The key thing is that you have to include before and then the year. As long as you type it exactly like this, you will be able to search for videos only uploaded before the year that you specify here. To my knowledge, sadly, this will only work with specific years, but if you find a method to do it with the date and the month as well, please let us know in the comments below. This will work for any year, and the results will be shown according to whatever you set it up over here. You can also do after, and this will do the opposite, where it shows videos only uploaded after your specific year, but it is quite simple to do, and it allows you to find some gems. I hope I was able to help you on how to find old videos on YouTube. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.